guys, so today we're gonna make chicken teriyaki. You can do it with whole chicken or even thighs and everything if you have a party or what. So just want to showcase to you, we're gonna use today our MP5. Yeah, it's not only a rice cooker, but it's also a multi-purpose. We can even roast one chicken. So for ingredients, 1 teriyaki sauce, honey, cinnamon stick, garlic, brown sugar, and star anise. Some spice and everything, you can also add kikoman. A container, you will just combine. Depends on how many sauce you like. So ako ganyan lang. Enough na yan. So, star anise, sugar, everything. That is salad master. You just dump everything. Okay, we're gonna mix it. Then you can put a little bit of kikoman soya. And of course, a little bit of honey. You know what's the use of honey? Is to make our roast shine. That's the only use of honey. Put as well a little bit of and a little bit of salt. Ganun. So yun, lalamasin na siya. Ipapasok natin siya sa MP5. Oops. And we're gonna put inside. You can also put outside. Preheat the MP5. Yeah, multi-purpose pan. Ito yung tinatawag na rice cooker. So, how would you know if it's ready? As always, small water. Just see if it's done here. Okay? Done. So, I'm putting some sauce inside as well. Yeah. Para masarap si chicken. So, for around 5 minutes. Okay? You put 30. Then afterwards, saka natin siya i-flip. Para na magka-color, i-flip natin, saka natin siya pagdadapan. Para mas masarap. Okay. So, lagay ko lang po muna. Just flip. From 230 down to 165. Then, fully covered. Then, put around 40 minutes. Kasi medyo malaki yung chicken.
165.